least this one can stay relatively dry as these move through. These birds are really like this area after the rain too. Come up, puff out, and dry out. So a little bit of gobbling at first light. Otherwise, they enjoy the rain shower, try to stay dry. Kind of had fun this morning. We're here in Middle Tennessee where this is the year of the cicadas, and I have them crawling all over me, which is always an interesting experience, as I'll show you. And that is a cicada looking right at you. See, he's waving, he's going, hello, hello camera, I'm Bubba the cicada. Cold forward all the same, look, he's doing the cicada, Mr. Jiggy with it. Oh, he got so excited he fell off.